everybody. So I'm Peter Blong. I'm the CEO of Aston Lark, and I'm delighted to host this special Bieber video to introduce you to two of Aston Lark's brands, which I think you should all be working with. So joining me, I have Brooke, who runs Renovation Plan. Hi, Brooke.
Hi.
And I have Louise, who runs Roadrunner. So hi, Louise.
Hi.
So coming to each of you in turn, Brooke, why should brokers use Renovation Plan?
Okay, so we've recently just launched our quote and buy online system. So this is a massive selling point for us and for brokers to be able to actually quote and buy renovation insurance online for their clients. We've had really great feedback from it since January. It gives brokers a bit more flexibility. Everything's kind of in their hands. They can speak to the team through the site. They can accept cover. They can process MTAs. And yeah, we've had really great feedback from it.
Fantastic. How long does it take a broker to get a quote on the new system?
It should take less than 5 minutes for them to put all the details on, and then we will, if the quote refers into us, which quite a lot of them are at the moment, we will get the quote back to them same day still. But all the documents are instant. As soon as we've approved the referral, they can just buy it online as soon as they've had instructions. So yeah, it's a really handy tool for us to have.
Fantastic. Thanks, Brooke. That's fantastic. And Louise, Roadrunner. So Roadrunner has been one of our longest standing schemes. Why should brokers be using Roadrunner?
So Roadrunner, we've been around for over 25 years and we're working with brokers for a number of years over that period of time. We have for about a year had our own portal, so they can see all their clients, so they're able to get quotes, be able to see all their clients' renewals, and the most important thing, be able to update the vehicle updates, so they no longer have to wait for us to process in team. That they also have the benefit to be able to pass that on to their clients, so they can do the real-time 24/7 vehicle updates. So it takes that administration away and makes life working with us a lot easier. And we've had some great feedback, but it doesn't stop us having a dedicated team in the background. So for MTAs or general underwriting queries, we have our team there. And we also launched back in Bieber's about a year ago, we launched our Roadrunner Plus because we noticed that a lot of our brokers were saying we didn't quite have enough cover for the package combined. So the Roadrunner product specialises in road risk, liability and your mobile risks, whereas the Roadrunner Plus is more your SME, vanilla risks where, you need that extra cover that just grows outside of Roadrunner. We can help support the broker there. And again, if they then grow back down to the smaller trades, we're back again. So it's a full cycle for the motor trader.
Fantastic. God, honestly, with all this technology, we're going to have to start wearing T-shirts and have roller skates in the office, aren't we? We should call ourselves an InsurTech, I think. So we're practically there.
Nearly there.
Look, this is brilliant though, and of course this is all backed up by Aston Lark's service promise. That I know the Roadrunner team really pride themselves on giving a fantastic service, and the renovation guys, you've been looking after a record number of quotes this year, and still getting back to brokers in record time. So I really hope that you guys have a really successful Bieber. I'm sure you will. Hopefully you'll meet lots of new brokers and sign up lots of new agencies, and we pledge to look after you to the very best of our ability for the rest of this year and beyond. So well done, Brooke, and well done, Louise, and keep it up. And let's just hope we have a fantastic Bieber. So thanks very much for your time.
Thank you,
everyone.